Most text effect tutorials online focus on cutout effects in Photoshop. In this video, we'll recreate the same concept entirely in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get in it. Start by placing your reference image. This will guide the overall shape. Duplicate it in place using Ctrl+C, then Ctrl+F. Open Image Trace. Set the mode to black and white. Adjust the threshold as needed. Enable Ignore White, then expand. Once expanded, ungroup the artwork and release the compound path. Use Pathfinder to merge the shapes into a clean vector. Switch to Outline View using Shift+X. Now, using the knife tool, cut the chili into 3 sections. Type your text, green. Apply a bold font, then create outlines and ungroup. Bring the middle section of the chili to the front. Select it, then use Alt+Ctrl+C to copy its shape properties. I'll undo that and show a cleaner method. Go to Object Envelope Distort Make with Top Object. Unlock everything using Ctrl+Alt+2. Then duplicate the original image in front using Ctrl+C, then Ctrl+F. Right-click the text, then ungroup. Create a compound path using Ctrl+8. Now select the top image along with the text, and create a clipping mask. For the side sections, convert them into compound paths as well, then clip them with the corresponding parts of the chili image. To refine the result, use the Curvature tool. Adjust anchor points where needed, especially around the G and the N, so the shapes blend naturally. Finally, add a subtle green gradient background and a soft shadow beneath the chili for depth. And there you go. Green cut out directly from a chili shape, built entirely in Adobe Illustrator.